Topic: Numbers, a one-level story, Grade 2, Unit 4, Listening. In a small classroom, there were several students eager to learn and play. The teacher, Mrs. Rodriguez, stood in front of the board and asked, "How many students are there in the class?" Tom eagerly raised his hand and answered, "There are 5 school bags." Mrs. Rodriguez smiled and continued, "That's correct, Tom. Now, how many books are on the desk?" Sarah, who was sitting at the front, replied, "There are 7 books." The teacher nodded and said, "Very good, Sarah. Now let's talk about numbers. Can anyone tell me how old they are?" Tim raised his hand and proudly said, "I am 7 years old." Mrs. Rodriguez continued, "Excellent, Tim. And how about you, Lisa? How old are you?" "I am 7 too," Lisa replied. As the lesson progressed, Mrs. Rodriguez pointed to various objects in the classroom. "Now, let's name the objects we see. What is this?" she asked, pointing to the board. Johnny answered, "It's a board." "That's right. And what about this?" Mrs. Rodriguez pointed to a pencil. "It's a pencil," replied Emily. The teacher continued, "Now, let's count the crayons on the table. How many crayons are there?" Tom counted and said, "There are 4 crayons." "Great job, Tom. Now, let's name the numbers from 1 to 10, Mrs. Rodriguez said. The students chorused 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As the class ended, Mrs. Rodriguez thanked the students for their active participation. "You all did a fantastic job today. See you tomorrow." The students gathered their belongings, each with a smile on their face, proud of what they had learned in the small but vibrant class.